It's that time again. Time for some fun, time for some joy, time for some NXTH. If you don't remember, on my blog, search NXTH and you'll find my ode to a manipulated stock from back in the day. This is pumped twice before. Looks like it might be getting a repump. You know, if I weren't busy with so many other things, I probably would have bought this today and hold overnight. Probably gets pumping overnight and then sell on the gap. But even just intraday, I mean, like 22 to 28 cents. Pretty impressive. One thing you find is with pumps, once the stock gets pumped once, that indicates that there's shareholders that want to sell. Now, once a pump gets once you know there's shareholders that want to sell, then you know that there's a likelihood of future pumps. Anyway, stocks I did play, AMG, shorted that, lost a few percent because it didn't really do much. I thought it would break on 4, but my bet is it pulls an ADSY, same pumpers, and it had like three up days. The third day was the big one. So I'm gonna, if it goes up again, AMG, then I'll look to more aggressively short it. Lost a few hundred on that, I think. DGMA, shorted at the open. I mean, just look at this chart. This is just crazy. It actually went up to 3.5 cents at one point today. I was busy at the time, so I didn't short it at near the highs. And CLKZ had 1,500 shares I bought in the pre-market at like 116. I got a hold of shares to short. I'm now short 20,000 shares overnight. And that's my net short position, and I'm just going to keep adding to that. I mean, with the close today of 131, yesterday's close was 129. They've indicated that they don't care if the stock goes up. They just want to sell a shitload of shares. So my risk on the upside is maybe $1.50, maybe, and it's a very low chance it reaches that. Risk on the down, or the potential gain on the downside, you know, after 2 down days, this could be under 1. And it's more likely in 3 days that it'll be under $1.10 than that it'll be over $1.40. So I really like my play on this. So that's it. Oh yeah, let me show you some intraday charts, because you love intraday charts, and that's part of the reason why I did this. Yeah. So you can see overeager shorts, shorting at whatever price early in the pre-market, and then just slowly upticked. And this shows some weakness in the end of the day. I think it's the pumpers knocking it down a little at the end of the day. So they only want it to uptick like 1 or 2 cents a day. That way it's easier to keep it going up each day, and people are less tempted to sell. Healy, yeah, I was looking to short that on the big move up. Would have been good. Missed the fill. MNG, just choppy. Of course, you saw the multi-days, so, and it a nice big gap up from like 3.5 cents. DGMA, man. So this was me shorting like right here, and then like covering right here, and then went. Healy. Let me show you Healy. That was the best damn penny stocks in co-pump the last few days. No, not Healy. What the heck am I doing? SMCE. So just look at where the volume is. They only went out on it on half their websites. They only got paid $100,000 for it. So their most popular websites didn't go out and pump this. But look at this awesome drop. I should have shorted this, but man. Okay, that's it. See you next time. reapertrades.com.